Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Keyz. Check it out. I wanted to talk about a few things today, right? This won't be a super long video, but I just wanted to shed some light on some stuff, right? You got a lot of newbies that's entering the drop shipping world right now, and they get distracted by all of these people that's winning on Shopify that they're watching on YouTube. Let's remember, we're watching all of these people that's winning on YouTube. Remember, this is the 1%. This is the 1%. We're watching a whole bunch of people winning, and we feel like this is the type of results that we're supposed to be bringing in as well. Meanwhile, you're just watching a whole bunch of 1% that's currently winning, and you feel like, hey, I'm supposed to be doing $500 a day. I'm supposed to be doing 10K a day because this is how most of these guys are doing it. No, it's okay for you to just do just $50 a day. Great example. Right now, we're in the back office of one of my stores, right? This store, I actually I'm showing the store in a webinar, right? This is updated right now because in the webinar that I have that's going on, I show a screenshot of how I did from May 21st to May 11th or around there. But this is the same exact store. This is the back office, and as you can see, it is from May to September. Yeah, I could have showed you a store where I did a clean 6 figures in within a month, but I just want to show you just an example of just taking your time. It's okay if your store only makes $50 a day. It's okay if it just the goal is you want to just build a successful store. You're not chasing some type of miracle stuff to happen overnight. A lot of things plays a part. Maybe you don't have the right capital. Maybe you don't have the right knowledge. Take your time with it. Don't be speeding. Don't try to rush yourself for the success, and next things don't go your way. Things don't go your way. And I know right now this is being that I've been seeing a lot of videos of people getting thrown under the bus. Listen, this is one of my stores that I actually share with my students, and inside of the webinar, actually I'm going to leave a link down below this video where you're going to be able to access the free webinar. And I'm going to show you even the winning product that's been bringing me most of the sales that you see in the back office right now. Now, just so I could clear up any waves in case there's any, because I know there's always people that's willing to challenge. Listen, I have no time to be trying to spoof anybody. I have no time for that. I could go into my orders. I could go into my orders and share. We could just pick any. I'll pick 3 random orders or whatever, just so I could show there's no way of faking 2 high risk orders. That's number one. Let's just click on any random one. Let's click on this one. Let's click on the order and let's see where this order came from. Okay, this conversion came straight from Instagram. And like I said, I could go on and on, just keep on showing you conversions. Like, I have no time to be posting up fake results. And as you can see, this is how much we did for today, and in real time I'm going to show you exactly what I was just showing you before. I have no reason to be playing games right now. This is just, like I said, this store, I really use it so I could help students out. This is a store that we're still running, but inside of the webinar I give you full access so you can be able to, well, not full access, but I'm going to show you how exactly I set up my ad campaigns and how exactly, what product is currently making us the most money in this store. But like I said, this is just like how could I say this, like a study case store. But there's a lot of things that a lot of newbies don't know. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, the $5 a day, that method is dead. No more. No more. I don't want to hear anybody approach me about testing products for $5 a day. No more. That's it. It's time to move on to the next one. $5 a day was like the beginning of the whole drop shipping time with Facebook ads. It's a different ball game. You have to know how to maneuver in this time era that we're living in right now. If you're doing things the wrong way right now, you're not going to see the value of everybody going crazy about the fourth quarter. I'm telling you right now, if you guys are sitting down watching endless videos on YouTube thinking that you're going to find a way to just learn the missing pieces to the puzzle just from watching videos on YouTube, you're dooming yourself. You know, you're dooming yourself. I'm telling you right now, I would rather hear people say that they're willing to invest in their knowledge from somebody else or whoever you feel comfortable with than for you to just try to figure it out by yourself. Because all you're going to do is just dig a hole. You don't want to dig a hole, you know. Like I said, you know, inside of this webinar, I'm going to be showing you guys how exactly I do my product research, how I test this same product that was, you know, that generated most of this. I want to say a good 95% of my sales. And yeah, just this will be able to just at least help some people out. But at the same time, like I said, guys, that's just the baby step. That's just like a little stepping stone. But if you're really trying to take this to the next level, find someone. Like, I know I'm always saying this in a lot of my videos, but I know why. And for the people who have the success now, I'm pretty sure they could be saying the same thing that I'm saying right now too. So guys, listen, like I said, don't your goal is not, at least when you begin, your goal is not to try to start hitting $1,000 days. Just take it slow, you know, take it slow, go at your own pace. You know, the success is going to happen, but you don't want to mess up as you're on your journey. Remember, everybody's journey is different. Some people get lucky, you know, maybe they start averaging a good 100K in their first month or whatever it is. But a lot of things play a part. Remember, your capital. How much money can you spend? If you're telling me that you only have a budget for $300 for the month, and you're telling me that you want to close the whole month by making like a good 20K, 30K for the month, you're dooming yourself. Where did you come up with these numbers? Where did you come up with these numbers? I'm talking to you. You that's looking at me right now. Like, you said you have $400 in your hand right now. And you're telling me, or you're telling whoever, that you want to make 60K, 100K by the end of the month. That's like the big picture. I want to make 100K, and I only have $400 to my name on ads right now. Where are you getting these numbers from? How do you know that's even possible? Like, you need to be guided the right way. When you don't know what you're doing, you're gambling. When you know what you're doing and you have a strategy behind it, some type of logics behind it, then you're good. How many of you watching this right now that's on Shopify, that's doing Facebook ads, how many of you are gambling right now? If you're watching YouTube videos and you're doing your strategies based on different YouTube videos that you've been watching, you're gambling. Stop gambling. Take action. Find someone that can help you. If it's a course or wherever it is, learn it the correct way if you're really trying to kill it in the fourth quarter, guys. That's all I got to say. If you're trying to kill it the fourth quarter, stop playing games. If you're really truly trying to build a business, if you're really trying to do it the right way, stop playing games. Stop gambling. Let's kill it the fourth quarter, guys. Come on, let's change our life. Let's change our situation. Let's make things happen. If you guys have any questions, please, I want you guys to please share, like, comment, everything on this channel right now. I want you to subscribe. You know, I'm really trying to take things to the next level as we're approaching 2019. Also, I'm gonna start promoting a channel that I'm about to have with my wife. The link is gonna be down below. This is where you're gonna see a different side of Chris Keyz. You know, more personality and everything. But it's still gonna be beneficial because I want to be sharing some other business stuff even within that channel too. But of course, like I said, it's gonna be fun and everything. So guys, if you like what you're watching right now, please like, share, subscribe. Drop some comments down below. Let me know that you guys are still interacting with me. You know, I want to feel this community again. I want to put everybody back in the same room. I want to keep things pumping this fourth quarter. Let's get it, guys. Talk to you guys later. I'm out of here. Peace.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made